Samsung's Galaxy Tab S series has built quite a legacy. It's not just the most iconic Android tablet lineup, it's also the longest-standing and most successful. With premium features, sleek designs, and reliable performance, it's become a go-to for users who want more than just a basic tablet experience. And after last year's launch of the Galaxy Tab S10 Plus and the Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra, Samsung isn't slowing down. In fact, things are getting even more exciting. Word on the street is that Samsung is already hard at work on the next generation, the Galaxy Tab S11 and Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra. But here's the twist. Unlike last year, where we saw a Plus model alongside the Ultra, this time around, it looks like Samsung is shifting gears and focusing solely on the standard S11 and the Ultra variant. And that's not the only surprise. A new Lite model for the current S10 series is also rumored to be in the pipeline. Yep, there's something for everyone, from the power users to those just looking for solid performance at a more wallet-friendly price. So what can we expect under the hood? According to a report from Android Authority, and based on some juicy leaks found in Samsung's code, the Galaxy Tab S11 and S11 Ultra will feature codenames GTS11 and GTS11U, respectively. And those names are linked to something interesting: MediaTek's flagship chip, the Dimensity 9400. This processor is the next step up from the Dimensity 9300 Plus used in the Galaxy Tab S10 series, promising better performance, improved power efficiency, and even smoother multitasking. If you're into gaming, streaming, or using your tablet as a laptop replacement, that upgrade alone could make a big difference. It's also a bold move by Samsung. Sticking with MediaTek for its high-end tablets might raise some eyebrows, especially among die-hard Qualcomm Snapdragon fans. But MediaTek has really stepped up its game in the past couple of years, and the Dimensity 9400 looks like it means business. Whether this shift pays off remains to be seen, but it definitely adds a layer of intrigue to the upcoming launch. Now let's talk about that rumored Galaxy Tab S10 Lite. While Samsung hasn't confirmed anything yet, the code hints at both Wi-Fi and cellular variants. It's expected to be powered by the Exynos 13A chip, the same one found in the Galaxy Tab S9 FE, which positions it nicely as a more affordable option in the lineup. Since the current S10 FE and S10 FE Plus are running the newer Exynos 1580 chip, this Lite model will probably slot in below them in terms of pricing, making it a great choice for casual users or students. As for software, if the release timeline lines up, the Galaxy Tab S11 series could be among the first tablets to launch with Android 16 and Samsung's latest One UI 8.0 out of the box. That means a fresh design, new features, and better performance right from day one. Plus, we're expecting Samsung to stick with some fan-favorite features like the S Pen and an IP68 rating for water and dust resistance, not just for the tablet itself, but for the stylus too. That's a huge win for productivity-focused users and creatives. Of course, Samsung has yet to make any official announcements about the Galaxy Tab S11, S11 Ultra, or the S10 Lite, so we'll need to keep an eye out for more leaks or an official press event in the coming months. But based on what we're seeing so far, this year could be a big one for Samsung's tablet game. So, here's a question for all of you tech lovers out there. What's your take on Samsung using MediaTek processors in its premium tablets? Are you all in, or do you miss the Snapdragon days? And if you're eyeing the Lite model, do you think it could be the perfect balance of performance and price? Drop your thoughts down in the comments. I'd love to hear what you think. And hey, if you're as hyped as I am about what's coming, don't forget to follow for more updates, leaks, and deep dives. Until next time, stay curious, stay connected, and take care.